Right, I'm going out on the road test of the Bogist C1 Pro. Well, you might notice I haven't got any gloves on, but I've been sent these nice things. So let's have a look. These are from Joytutus. You can get them off Amazon, £20. They are padded riding gloves. You should always have gloves on, I think, when you go out. So let's have a look. You've got a nice little bit of gel padding. That's nice. This is the first time I've seen these, by the way. That's quite sticky as well. It's kind of like a sticky rubber. So hopefully I should get some good grip on the old handlebars. So let's see how they fit. These are a large size. I don't have particularly large hands, but they fit really well. Apparently they do well with phones as well. Let's see if I'll test that in a second. So there we go. They're nice. They feel nice. I like them. Yeah. So let's get a phone. See if we can. Oh yeah. Oh. Back. Well, it works. Back. It's those bit that, but the thumb works. Are you sure you want to exit? No. So I'm just going to carry on. I want to see how fast this goes. So we'll talk about that as we go. Right, now this is the first time testing a scooter with a seat. It's a bit low actually. Is it going lower? I feel like it's going a bit lower. Is it mobility? Yes, can I still stand up? If I want to, I can still stand up. Just about. I feel a bit silly. Right, so this scooter is, well, let's turn it on. What you do, turn it on, hold down, within 5 seconds, press it again. That should enable zero start, which is working. The saddle, nice and squishy. This is odd. Whoa. Right, let's put this down. Hopefully you can still hear. I've got my microphone right there. Right, I'm in eco mode right now. 12 kilometers per hour. I don't know if there's a way to get. I'm in mid. I'm gonna go straight to high. It's half battery. This is just. I'm gonna stand up. Scooters just don't like taking me up a hill. Oh, we're down to 1 bar. Oh, it's flashing. I think it's gonna die. Okay, so this is a bust. Basically, this scooter hasn't got a charger. They set the wrong charger. I was hoping to do a first impressions, but it's running out already. So I'm probably just gonna have to turn around. Oh, that was good, wasn't it? Okay, I'm going to have to get a different scooter. Yeah, it's just, it's a bit embarrassing, that is. But, oh well. Right, that's... Okay. Let's choose a different scooter. I'm back on the less embarrassing iX4. Gotta remember, I've got indicators on this, so I can. How do I use them? Right, left, middle. Oh, what's that? Oh, itchy nose. Right, I think I'm gonna do a reverse version of the route that I usually do. So I think I usually go this way, but there'll be a point where I go a different way. So my palms feel nice, feel quite nice. I've got to remember these are, you know, I forgot how fast this is, the iX4. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Cheers. My gloves nice and warm. I've got to say I like the gloves I usually use. They've got like a padding on them. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, the gloves I usually use have got a nice little padding on them. And I imagine if I fell off, they'd be quite good at protecting me a bit. Not so much for wrists, they haven't got a wrist protector on them. But my fronts, like the tops of my hands, oh no, I'm gonna rip my jeans now. Frick. Forgot about this. I've got mud guards though. Let's just kind of dry my wheels off a bit. Dry my wheels, dry my wheels, dry my wheels off. Oh, is this going to be a big puddle? Oh, lucky, lucky. Okay. Right, you know what? I don't usually go up here, so I'm gonna. Ow! Let's hit my shin. Let's go down here. Woo! This is called the bridle way. My shin really hurts. I just kicked the scooter. Ah ha 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 ha. Right, oh crap, more mud. But yeah, those other gloves are really nice and protecty, but they're not so much in the way of warm. They're a bit cold. These feel nice and warm. And these also appear to be a lot better at controlling a phone. Oh, this scooter feels good. Going over this surface with air-filled tyres, 10-inch compared to 8 and non-air-filled, feels so much better. The suspension, that is the rear brake. The suspension and the tyres just really work well together. But yeah, I can feel the wind. I can feel it around my neck where I haven't got my balaclava on because I've got my full face helmet on, so I didn't bother. I don't mean to get in there. Oh God, some people. But I'm feeling nothing on my hands. My hands are perfectly warm. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell. I'm not used to the power of this scooter, and it's not even a mega powerful scooter, it's just a lot more powerful than the ones I've been testing recently. So I've done speed tests around here. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the gloves. I was going to be here for the Bogist scooter, but since that wasn't charged, I won't bother. Just the gloves. What is this? Hope you can hear me all right. Whoa, I nearly let go then. They grip really well. So again, 24. What was that? 26. That was a good bit of speed. I don't usually go 26 without going down a hill. It feels a bit faster today, this scooter does. There's stuff going down. Let's get through here. Ooh, have I done my neck up? Cruise control's kicked in. Woo! back. I've got to say I'm very disappointed about that scooter. It looks basically very similar to this one. I think it's a bit more of a road scooter than an off-road scooter, but we'll see when we get it. Ooh, oh, I thought that was a sports car. It's just a lorry with some cool stuff. Oh yeah. I forget that people can't see my face. Thank you. Enjoying a sandwich there. So I've done a loop already. It's a lot faster on this than it is usually. Oh yeah. Oh, up the hill. I wonder what the gradient of this hill is. It's amazing how much of a difference hills make to scooters and stuff. That's funny, didn't expect that. Muddy. Oh no, I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done this. Oh god. Oh god. Idiot. Flicking mud everywhere now. Got it on my legs. Oh god. I forgot what it'd be like. Let's get to the path. So this is not a good combination for this. This is come on. Yeah. Go. Go, 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 go. What's the power? 3. Oh, that's terrible. E. Oh. I've got to push it. There's people watching. Why is it struggling so much already? It's gone down to 2 bars. Come on. Nearly there. You can do it. And I'm not going fast enough to unsteam my helmet. But I'll tell you what is doing really well, or what are doing really well, the gloves. The gloves haven't missed a beat. God, what a difference flat ground makes. That is ridiculous. Back up to 3 bars. Does it really not like hauling my huge ass? Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. 25. I suppose I might have lost a bit of traction. Well, the gloves feel really nice. The materials. Let's get my hand up. Ugh. Right, let's close the gate. Right, I did forget to do my helmet up, so always remember to do your helmet up properly. Mud, mud, mud. Right, yeah, these are awesome. I'm impressed with these. They, I mean, obviously it's the first time I've used them, so they're a bit of a first impressions. But I'll continue to use them, and I will report back if I have any problems. But yeah, Joytutus, or Joy to use, maybe. £20, Amazon, good at touching phones, if that's what you need. They're very, very warm. It's fairly cold today. It's not mega cold, but it's fairly cold. Oh, yeah, very nice. Good padding. Let's slap a wall. Yep, I feel alright slapping a wall. And that's it anyway. So that's the e-VRC, testing some nice little gloves on the iX4. Unfortunately not the Bogist C1 Pro. That will come soon, so if you want to see my test of the Bogist C1 Pro, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell so you don't miss a video. Take care, see ya, and ride safe.